They do that every time. I just keep trying to take them and they don't.
We are done with the Model 3 chrome delete, so let me show you what we've gotten done. Car came in with so much chrome on the windows, the mirrors, the badges, the fenders, all that stuff. So we chose to do satin black with this Model 3. That way it's a nice blend between class and sportiness. So we did the fender badges, as you guys can see. The mirrors, the window trims, and the door handles are all wrapped in satin black, so it looks really good, especially with the white. Kind of gives it that stormtrooper look. The mirrors on the Model 3 are always the most difficult part to wrap because of the moving mechanism, but regardless, we still wrap the part that gets exposed when the mirrors are folded in, and that way you get much more of a chrome delete. Even areas at the end caps we made sure we wrap, and that way even when you have the doors open, that way you get a full chrome delete experience. Tesla Model 3 with Clearbra on the rear bumper on this. This is really good, especially if you're pulling a lot of things in and out of the trunk, like, you know, luggage, grocery, things like that, and you're afraid you might damage the bumper. This is really good for that. And also, in case someone parks a little too close to you and they tap your rear bumper, this is perfect for that as well.
Okay, guys. Client gave us a
A what? Yeah?
Camera shy. Hey guys. Client gave us a... Hey guys. I can't do it.
Just show him. It's okay. Show him. That thing onto that thing.
Thank you.
Let's do it.
I tried, I'm sorry.
That was 2 words out. Last time was barely even a word. Progress. Oh wow, it even comes with like a little transfer tape? That's pretty legit.
I'll transfer your tape. Do you like?
Yeah.
Wait, did I clock in? Because I'm gonna rip this off if I did it off the clock. Oh, different color than I thought it was.
Yeah, satin black. Oh, okay. Cool. It matches the chrome delete we did. Cool. Looks good. We already put it on. Pretty easy. Definitely something you can do at home. There's still some chrome showing, as you can see, but that's just kind of how it is with these template cut kits. Pretty much a chrome sliver around the whole entire thing, but it's not bad if you want to do something yourself. All right, guys, so we're completely done with the GMC. We actually ended up painting the chrome slits on the front bumper. It looks way better now. It makes the GMC pop a lot more. Even though this is painted, we wrapped this in satin black, so it adds a nice little contrast to it. It looks really good. It also has like an OEM Plus look to it. And on the bottom piece here, you guys saw before, it's wrapped in satin black, and it just kind of ties back in really well with the rest of the car. Same thing with the window trims as well, satin black all the way through, and that chrome strip on the door, as well as the running boards on the bottom. This trim is also wrapped in satin black, this bottom strip here. And the biggest change is part of the wheels. Now it is gloss black, has an OEM Plus look. Really happy with how this one turned out.
That's my trick. You mother. Hold on. We will be right back.
He's coming out. He's coming.
He's coming. Man, that M3 looks like it looked good with big orange on it.
No! Why did Sean say no? BMW people! I want to show you this Model 3 that we've done actually 2 years ago. This Model 3 is 2 years old. We fully wrapped the entire car in Clearbra Nano, and I just want to show you guys this because a lot of people do ask how long does Clearbra last and how does it age. Man, it looks brand new, honestly, for a car that's 2 years old. It has about 5,000 to 6,000 miles on it, so it doesn't get driven much. But the reason I want to show you this is because this car actually sits outside. It never sits in a garage. It gets parked outside, so it endures pollen, endures rain, endures all the outdoor contaminants and like bugs and things like that. So we're looking at the hood right now. It looks almost brand new. It's ridiculous how clear this is and how good it looks. There's no stains on it. There's no peeling, there's no cracking, everything just looks really good. Alright guys, that's it for the vlog. Thanks so much for watching. We're gonna clean up the back now. Click up here for a video recommend just for you, down here for a newest video, and up here to subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.
Do it. I dare you. I dare you. No. You still have that. Drop it. Get on the floor. On the floor now! Fuck!